Hello, good morning students. Today my topic name is electoral politics. Now let's start with the topic that is election. What do you mean by election? इलेक्शन एक ऐसा तंत्र है जिसमें लोग अपने प्रतिनिधियों को एक नियमित समय के लिए चुनते हैं और समय समय पर उन्हें बदल भी सकते हैं. Why do we need elections? इसको जानने के लिए पहले हमें डेमोक्रेसी को जानना होगा. What do you mean by democracy? डेमोक्रेसी यूनानी शब्द डेमोक्रेशिया से बना है, जिसमें डेमोस का अर्थ है लोग और क्रेशिया का अर्थ होता है शासन. इस प्रकार डेमोक्रेसी का अर्थ है लोगों का शासन. डेमोक्रेसी शासन का वह रूप है जिसमें शासकों का चुनाव जनता करती है. डेमोक्रेसी के लिए इलेक्शंस बहुत जरूरी हैं. ये क्यों जरूरी हैं? इसके निम्नलिखित कारण हैं. लोग इसमें चुन सकते हैं के लिए उन्हें कि उनके कानून कौन बनाएगा. लोगों द्वारा यह भी चुना जाता है कि गवर्नमेंट कौन बनाएगा, उनके इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन कौन लेगा. लोग उस पार्टी को भी चुन सकते हैं जो सरकार की लॉ बनाने और पॉलिसी बनाने में मदद करते हैं. फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शन. Everyone should be able to choose. It means that everyone should have one vote and every vote should have equal value. Second, there should be something to choose. पार्टीज और कैंडिडेट्स को इलेक्शंस के लिए फ्री होना चाहिए. उन पर किसी का भी प्रेशर नहीं होना चाहिए. वोटर्स के लिए उन्हें रियल ऑफर ही दिए जाने चाहिए. The choice should be offered at regular intervals. इलेक्शन हमेशा रेगुलर बेस पर टाइम टू टाइम होते रहने चाहिए. उसी कैंडिडेट को चुना जाना चाहिए जिसे लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हों. इलेक्शन शुड बी कंडक्टेड इन अ फ्री एंड फेयर मैनर. पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन. यह वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पॉलिटिकल पावर्स को पाने के लिए कॉम्पिटिशन्स करती हैं. डिमेरिट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन इन इंडिया. पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन से हर एक एरिया में अपने अपने गुट ग्रुप बनने की भावना पैदा हो जाती है. अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लीडर एक दूसरे पर एलिगेशंस लगाते हैं. पार्टीज और कैंडिडेट इलेक्शंस को जीतने के लिए हर तरह की ट्रिक्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. चुनावी लड़ाई जीतने के लिए प्रेशर सेंसिबल लॉन्ग टर्म नीतियों को तैयार नहीं होने देता है. बट some good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter this field. Merits of political competition. In an ideal world, all political leaders know what is good for the people and are motivated only by a desire to serve them. Our constitution makers opted for free competition in elections as the way to select our future leaders, because this system works better in the long run. Political leaders are motivated by a desire to advance in their political career. They want to remain in power or get power and position for themselves for which they can compete with other political parties. Political competition से division और ugliness हो सकती है, लेकिन यह अदन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और लीडर्स को लोगों की सेवा करने के लिए मजबूर करने में भी मदद करती है. इंडियन इलेक्शन सिस्टम. इन इंडिया द इलेक्शन इज कंडक्टेड थ्रू एन इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी कॉल्ड इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. द इलेक्शन सिस्टम हैज फॉलोइंग प्रोसीजर. इसमें सबसे पहले अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ इलेक्शन, नेक्स्ट नॉमिनेशन फेज, इलेक्शन कैंपेन, विथड्रॉल ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स, कैंपिंग, पोलिंग एंड काउंटिंग होती है. इलेक्टोरल एंड रिजर्व कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. इसमें हमारे सम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस आर रिजर्व फॉर पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. This applies to other backward classes or OBC as well. Today, out of 543 seats in India's parliament, 84 are reserved for SC, Dalits and 47 for ST tribes. In parliament, 33 percentage reservation bill for women is still pending. This is to prevent domination of those with better resources and give a chance to weaker section of society. In an SC/ST reserved constituency, only someone from the SC/ST can stand for elections. Voter list. In a democratic election, the list of those persons who are eligible to vote is prepared before election and displayed to everyone. This list is officially called voter list. For every constituency, there is a voter list, Article 326 of the Constitution. 1950 stipulates that the minimum age for registration of a voter is 18 years. A person who is not a citizen of India cannot be registered as a voter. A person cannot be enrolled as a voter in more than one place in the same constituency or in more than one constituency. Nomination of candidates. To be a candidate of Lok Sabha or Legislative Assembly, the minimum age limit is 25 years. Political parties nominate their candidates who get the party symbol and support. She must be a qualified voter and must be eligible to hold the office. Educational qualification is not needed for any candidate. She was not a member of an organization that engaged in anti-constitutional and anti-social activities. A candidate must file the nomination certificate with the prescribed filing fee. Election campaign. At first, before the elections, the date of nomination, polling and counting are notified by the Election Commissioner. The Model Code of Conduct comes in force from the day the dates are announced. There are 2 weeks time between the declaration of candidates and the polling of votes. During this period, candidates and their followers contact their voters. Prominent political leaders address election meetings of their candidates and mobilize their supporters. During this period, TV, radio and newspaper are full of election-related events. Demerits of election campaign. पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन से हर एक एरिया में अपने अपने गुट या ग्रुप बनाने की भावना पैदा हो जाती है. अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के लीडर एक दूसरे पर एलिगेशंस लगाते रहते हैं. पार्टीज एंड कैंडिडेट्स ऑफन यूज डर्टी ट्रिक्स टू विन द इलेक्शन. चुनावी लड़ाई जीतने के लिए प्रेशर सेंसिबल लॉन्ग टर्म नीतियों को तैयार नहीं होने देता है. बट some good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter this field. Election Commission has set model code of conduct for election campaign. According to this, no party candidate can use any place of worship for election propaganda, use government vehicles, aircraft and officials for elections. Once elections are announced, ministers shall not lay foundation stones of any project, take any big policy decisions or make any promises of providing public facilities. Polling and counting of votes. Government schools and colleges are chosen as polling stations. The collector of each district is in charge of polling. Government employees are employed to many of the polling stations. Electronic voting machines are being increasingly used instead of ballot boxes to prevent election fraud, booth capturing, which is heavily prevalent in certain parts of India. The final stage of the election is the voting day. It may also be called as a election day. The voters go to the nearby polling booth and enter it one by one. After verification of the identity of the voters by the official, a mark is put on the index fingers. Now the voters are allowed to cast their vote one by one. The electronic voting machine has the names of the candidates and their election symbols. The voter is then asked to go and press the button of the candidate to whom he wants to vote for. In this system, voters cannot vote more than one. Result: after finishing the job, the electronic voting machines are sealed by the presiding officer, and all the voting machines are deposited in the headquarters of the constituency. After 2 days, all votes are counted candidate-wise. The candidates who secure the highest votes from the constituency is declared elected. In general elections, all the counting is done at one time on the same day. What makes Indian election democratic? Independent Election Commission, mass level popular participation, acceptance of election results, and free and fair elections. Independent Election Commission. In India, elections are conducted by an independent election commission. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by the President of India, but once appointed, Election Commissioner is not answerable to the President of the government. Powers of the Election Commission of India. Election Commissioner takes decision on every aspect of conduct and control of elections from the announcement to the declaration of result. It implements the code of conduct and punishes any candidate or party that violates it. During the election period, the Election Commission can order the government to follow some guidelines to prevent use and misuse of governmental power to enhance its chances to win elections or to the transfer some government officials. When on election duty, government officers work under the control of the Election Commission and not the government. Popular participation. The quality of the election process can also be checked by seeing the participation of people. People's participation in the election is measured by voter turnout figures. Turnout indicates the percent of eligible voters who actually cast their vote. In India, the poor, illiterate and underprivileged people who vote in larger proportion as compared to the rich and privileged sections. Common people in India feel that through elections they can bring pressure on political parties to adopt policies and programs favorable to them. The interest of voters in election-related activities has been increasing over the years. Acceptance of election outcomes. One final test of the free and fairness of the election is the outcome of the election. The ruling parties routinely lose elections in India both at the national and state level. Candidates who are known to have spent a lot of money on buying votes and those with non-criminal connections often lose elections. Barring very few disputed elections, the electoral outcomes are usually accepted as a people's verdict by the defeated party. Free and fair elections. Elections in India are basically free and fair. Sometimes this may not be true for every constituency. There are many limitations and challenges to Indian elections. These include candidates and parties with a lot of money enjoy a big and unfair advantage over smaller parties. Candidates with criminal connections have been able to push others out of the electoral race and to secure a ticket from major parties. Tickets are distributed to relatives from their families. Elections offer little choice to ordinary citizens as major parties are quite similar to each other, both in policies and practice. Smaller parties and independent candidates suffer a huge disadvantage compared to big parties. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.